Hello there everybody, Rich Star Blast here. Hope you're all having an awesome day. If you get me thumb in the shot. And welcome to Shout Out Saturday episode number 7. Wow, 7 already. Let's get straight into this. First of all, today's first shout out goes to the E5 group. I've mentioned some of these guys before in previous videos who are called the founding members, like John Ward, Sparky Ninja, Paul, David Watts I think his name is, and we've got Paul Meenan, the Sparky Jedi. And here I am on the actual E5 website, and basically this is the about page. So basically, I'll just read the top line here. We consist of like-minded electricians and electrical engineers who regularly see the trade devalued and the term electricians devalued on a downward spiral. Basically, they're trying to make the industry great again because there's so many less than reputable Sparkies out there and people out there who've not got the industry, best interests of the industry at heart. So go check them out, the E5 group. They're also on Twitter. Here we go, just go through their things here. Crikey, if I can get my mouse in it. There we go. So they're on Twitter. I'll put all the links to the descriptions of their channels below. So here you go. Here's their Twitter. Twitter.com/group E5. And just get another one here. They're also on Instagram. Get a couple of moments for it to load up. There you go, E5 group. There's their Instagram. And Facebook. Let's go to their Facebook page. Oh, they don't have. Ah, right, okay, they don't have a Facebook page. Might have got rid of that. I think they do have a group, but I'm not 100% certain. So we'll leave that for the moment, and I believe they are on LinkedIn as well. Just pop over if they're on the LinkedIn page. See if this works. There you are, the E5 group. Go and follow them go and connect with them on LinkedIn. And the second shout out for Shout Out Saturday is this guy here, House Badger. This is the inspiration for the fertile crumpet, because basically what he did the one day, I think it was on the RS Components website, he was looking for a feral crimper, and instead it came up with a fertile crumpet, and the rest is history. So give this guy a follow on Twitter. There's his link. I'll put a link in the description below as well. And last but not least, I think the guy who really started the electricians off on YouTube, if I can find him, hang on, if I can do this. Give me 2 seconds, I've got so much stuff up here. So we'll just head over here, well really he doesn't need much of an introduction, if I can find him. Here I can find him, here we go. Here we go, this is the guy I think kicked it all off with doing videos, Thomas Nagy. Go and give him a follow. I'll put his link in the description below as well. So as I say, short, quick recap, go and follow House of Badgers, the E5 group, and Thomas Nagy. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification and select all to be notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll see you all next Saturday. Ta-ta for now.